Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 17 Pro Max 512. This is you can see the cycle count 0 and the battery capacity is 100%. This is also LL version, unlocked one, and you can see this is blue color. The condition is very good. You can see no scratches, and let me show you the device information. And you can see iPhone 17 Pro Max LL version, and this is 512. And you can see this unlocked one, no SIM card restriction. And let me show you the battery information. Okay, you can see the battery cycle count only one, and the manufacturer date is September 2025. Okay, this is battery capacity 100%. Okay, the shining button also, you can see the other different models. This one also the battery capacity 100 and the cycle count 53, and this is 100%. This is also 24, and the 100% also iPhone 17 Pro Max 512 gigabyte. You can see the other different model, and you can see this is different color. This is iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Air, 17 Pro Max. This is the only wholesale the 17 Pro. This one is okay, also a 256 gigabyte. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone and the MacBook. Okay, now you can see the screw, the shiny screw. Okay, this is 100% original, good condition. Okay, you can see the other. Okay, see you in the next video.